Welcome to today's episode, where we explore the natural solution that athletes, physical therapists, and health-conscious people around the world are turning to: magnesium oil for muscle cramps. We'll uncover why magnesium is crucial for muscle health, how magnesium oil works when applied to the skin, step-by-step instructions for using it safely and effectively, who benefits most from this mineral miracle, and how to make it part of your daily wellness routine. Whether you're dealing with nightly leg cramps, post-workout soreness, or magnesium deficiency symptoms, you'll want to stay with us through the end of this deep dive. Why magnesium matters. Let's start with the basics. Why is magnesium so important? Magnesium is a vital mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. It regulates nerve function, muscle contractions, and even supports your heartbeat and bone health. But here's the kicker. 80% of people are estimated to be deficient in magnesium, largely due to modern diets, stress, and over-processed food. When your magnesium levels drop, muscles can spasm, tighten, and cramp, especially at night or after exercise. That's where magnesium oil comes in. Unlike oral supplements, which must pass through the digestive system, magnesium oil is absorbed directly through the skin, delivering relief faster and bypassing gut-related side effects like diarrhea or bloating. What is magnesium oil? Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is magnesium oil? Well, it's not technically an oil. It's a highly concentrated solution of magnesium chloride dissolved in water. The texture feels oily, but there's no fat or grease involved. This form of magnesium is highly bioavailable, meaning your skin absorbs it efficiently and sends it straight to the muscles and tissues that need it most. Magnesium oil can be sprayed, massaged, or soaked into the skin, most commonly applied to the calves, thighs, shoulders, or feet. Or, how magnesium oil relieves muscle cramps. Let's break down how magnesium oil actually stops muscle cramps. When sprayed on the skin, magnesium enters the bloodstream through your pores and penetrates muscle tissues. Magnesium works by blocking calcium overload, which is one of the main causes of cramping. It relaxes muscles, reduces nerve excitability, and improves circulation. Here's a common scenario. You're in bed, and suddenly your calf locks up in a painful cramp. Instead of waiting it out or reaching for a pill, you spray magnesium oil, rub it in, and within a few minutes, your muscle begins to release. It's fast, it's effective, and best of all, it's natural. How to use magnesium oil. Using magnesium oil is simple. Here's a quick guide. 1. Choose a high-quality magnesium oil, preferably from magnesium chloride sourced from ancient seabeds or the Dead Sea. 2. Spray 5 to 10 times directly onto the affected area: legs, arms, back, or feet. 3. Gently rub it in and leave it on for 20-30 minutes. You can wipe off any residue with a damp cloth afterward if you like. 4. Repeat daily or after workouts for maintenance. Pro tip: if you're sensitive, it may tingle or itch the first few times. That's common, especially if your skin is dry or if you're deficient. You can dilute it with water or aloe vera to reduce irritation. For severe muscle cramps or restless leg syndrome, many people apply it right before bed as part of their nighttime routine. Who should use magnesium oil? Magnesium oil is beneficial for athletes and gym-goers recovering from strenuous workouts, people with night cramps or restless legs, pregnant women who experience leg spasms, older adults with declining magnesium levels, anyone managing chronic pain, migraines, or fibromyalgia. It's also safe for most people when used topically. But if you have kidney disease or are under medical care, check with your doctor first. So, there you have it. Magnesium oil for muscle cramps. An easy, effective, and natural way to relieve muscle tightness and restore comfort. No pills, no chemicals. Just one powerful mineral delivered directly through your skin. If this helped you, be sure to subscribe or follow for more natural health remedies and pain relief strategies that work with your body, not against it. And if you've used magnesium oil before, or decide to try it after this episode, drop a comment and let us know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay strong, stay relaxed, and keep your body in balance.